Hey there Safari fam, welcome back to Lens Through Africa. I'm Rahul and I'm excited to introduce to you the Southern African Bird Call Challenge. In this challenge you'll hear the fascinating calls of some of Southern Africa's most iconic bird species. And your task for this? Guess the bird. So how does this challenge work? Shortly you will hear an assortment of 5 easy calls, 5 medium calls and 5 slightly harder calls, bringing the total up to 15 calls per video. You're welcome to pause or rewind if you want to replay a call. But no checking your bird apps for any audio identification. Speaking of bird apps, this video was made in partnership with Newman's Birds of Southern Africa. The Newman's Birds of Southern Africa app is, in my opinion, one of the best apps for beginner and amateur birding, with an easy layout easily allowing you to access categories as well as bird families and similar looking birds. It is very user friendly and very easy to get used to. For each video, keep a piece of paper and a pencil handy so that you can write down your guesses. At the end of each video, put down in the comments below what your score is out of 15, which ones you struggled and which ones you got right the first time. So grab your headphones, sharpen your ears, and let's dive into the fascinating world of bird calls. And now to check the answers. Easy 1, Blacksmith Lapwing. Easy 2, Laughing Dove. Easy 3, the Woodland Kingfisher. Easy 4, Crested Franklin. Easy 5. Ring-necked dove. Medium 1. Brown-hooded kingfisher. Medium 2. Little grebe. Medium 3. African barred owlet. Medium 4. Brown-hooded parrot. Medium 5. Swainson's spurfowl. Hard 1. White-crested helmet shrike. Hard 2. Lesser honeyguide. Hard 3. Southern red bishop. Hard 4. Blue waxbill. And finally, hard 5. Little swift. Did you know woodland kingfishers are one of the most popular residents in southern Africa during the summer months? Easily recognized by their electric blue color and that shrill call that echoes throughout the bush. Another fun fact about the woodland kingfisher: mating pairs greet each other with special calls and little wing flaps seen as dances. Thank you so much for tuning in and playing along with this bird calls challenge. Think you can do better next time? Join us in the next challenge and show off your birding skills. See you there. If you enjoyed this video and look forward to more content coming soon, definitely give this video a like. Share your thoughts in the comments below, as well as share your score that you got out of 15 for the first challenge. And finally, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified every time I release a new video, and to know when I release the next challenge. Let's see if we can make this challenge go viral on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. Stay tuned for challenge number 2. It's going to be an exciting one.